Hi guys, it's Jennifer at the Southwest Financial Center again. Today I'm coming to you, I want to talk for a few moments about auto insurance and about why your rates may be going up. We get this call in the office a lot. People will call us, they will have already looked at their side of the house. For example, they know they didn't have any tickets, they know they didn't have any accidents, they haven't added vehicles, they've made no changes from one policy period to another policy period. But yet their renewal rate is higher. Normally if people are looking at it and it's $10 to $20 higher, most people can understand that. The problem is going to be when they start looking at it, they're $50, $60, $70 more than they were paying last renewal. Then they start to really call and want to know why. The first thing is, as agents, we don't make the rates. So I can never give a very definite answer to them on exactly why an insurance company had a rate increase, unless it just happens that we've had a rep come in our office from that insurance company that's been able to tell us specifically. What I can tell you right now are some of the things that happen that cause an insurance company to have rate increases. Insurance is going to be paid out on the claim side from a collection of the premiums that have been collected. So you pay into the insurance company. That insurance company has based their rates off of what they expect to pay out. It's the law of large numbers. It's just the way the insurance company works. They look at the risk, who they've accepted, and how much they think they're going to pay out. And they base this normally on things like zip code, where the car is garaged, the type of vehicle, age of the driver, things like that. So they rate them. In a period of time, if they find out that they are paying out more than they expected, for example, they're in an area where all of a sudden they're paying out a lot of underinsured claims, meaning that there are a lot of drivers on the road that do not have enough insurance or that do not have insurance. Well, now they've used more of their stockpile of premiums than they expected. So they're going to have to raise their rates to make up for that. You may have insurance in an area where maybe they do home and auto, and there's natural disasters, and they've been paying out a lot of homes claims. So now they have to recoup some of that money to be able to keep up with the new claims that may be coming. Those are really big instances that you will see rate increases. With an insurance company, they also do investments. They may be on the stock market. You may see the stock market fluctuating, and that's affecting the stockpile of money that they have to pay out claims as well. So things like that are going to be the big factors. Once again, it's really hard for me to tell you 100% why a company went up. What I normally do when a client calls is I just do a quick look back at their policy to make sure that, one, there's no errors, that somehow they weren't shown an accident that they didn't have, that there wasn't some sort of billing issue that the insurance company messed up with. If they mess up, there's an error like that, I can get that fixed for them. I'll also make sure that there wasn't something that the insured may have forgotten. Maybe they added a vehicle right after the last renewal, didn't even think about the fact that they went from an older vehicle to a newer vehicle, and that's why the policy went up. Another thing we see sometimes is the policies actually won't go up. People don't 100% remember what they paid last time. So we'll look at that just to let them know exactly where it went up and what the possibility may have been. But that is why having an independent agent like this is really helpful, because at this point when a person comes in, I explain to them how an insurance company may have rate increases. They then can come back and say, okay, well, I want to see if I can get a better rate, and we can do that in office. We can rerun them, see if there's a better rate out there for them, and move them from company to another company. Now, there are times that you're with a company and you're getting loyalty discounts. You're going to actually see your rate go down, which is great. Sometimes, though, it does really help to shop around and make sure that you're getting the best insurance coverage for the premium. We want to make sure that you're going to get the most out of this situation that you can. All right, once again, I'm with the Southwest Financial Center. We're here in Bullhead City. We're at 1854 Highway 95. Come by, stop by, see us. Give us a call if you have any questions at 928-763-4360. Thank you. Bye.